Hi there, welcome to Razor Rantum, where I talk about skincare, hair care, and other self-care products. Today I will be reviewing Maestro's Mark of a Man Beard Oil. My name is Jonathan. Like I said, I will be reviewing Maestro's Mark of a Man Beard Oil. I actually lost the intro and outro to this video. The files got corrupted, don't know what happened, so I might look a little bit different in the next clip, but here we go. I have worked in the skincare and hair care industry, however, I am not a professional. I'm just a guy with a beard who uses this product, so that accounts for something, I guess. With that being said, this is an opinion-based review, meaning I use this product. This is my opinion of it. This is not a sponsored video. They did not send this to me. I purchased this with my own money. Just wanted to clear the air with that. Over the past few years, there has been a huge boom in the men's, specifically beard care industry. You've got your beard butters, you've got your beard oils, you've got your beard moisturizers. It can be very confusing, I know. So the purpose of a beard oil is, yes, to help soften and moisturize the beard, but specifically it's for the skin beneath the beard. It helps condition the skin beneath the beard to promote healthy beard growth. It can tame frizzy, flyaway beard hairs, but it is not going to be a styling product. Think of it in a similar way that when you use conditioner in your hair, you're conditioning your hair and specifically your scalp. If you don't do that, and sometimes you have drier skin, you can get dandruff, which, you know, if you have dandruff on your face and your beard and your skin underneath is really dry, you can kind of get some little skin flakes in your beard, and that's just not the move, my dude. That's not the move. I'll just wait for the garbage truck to go by. It's fine. My content is garbage anyway. There's a lot of beer bottles I just heard, and that is definitely my recycling bin. Like I said, this is the Mark of a Man beard oil. They have a couple of different beard oils. Essentially, just the scent is gonna be different. So this one says, formulated with grapefruit, black pepper, and bergamot notes in the fragrance for a classy black tie experience. Before I jump into some of the ingredients in here, let me just tell you how to use it. They suggest that you use a nickel size amount. However, I use a dime size. I don't have a massive beard, but I have found that like a dime size seems to give me the coverage that I need. Then you just massage it into your beard and finish off with a comb. I think the consistency of this beard oil is great. It's not too light, it's not too heavy. It doesn't feel like you're putting vegetable oil on your face, but it is weighted enough that it can help tame some flyaway beard hairs. So when I wear this, it smells good, it feels good, it gives me kind of a boost of confidence throughout my day. I do just want to say that it is fragranced, however, it is not too fragranced. I was a little worried when I first used this because it is fragranced, that if I put it in my mustache area here, it would, you know, literally be right under my nose and give me a headache. However, it is not heavily fragranced, so you're good to go. Smells good, lasts all day. Like I briefly said before, this is mainly for your skin under your beard. As humans, our skin produces this natural sebum oil. If you take care of your beard and you wash your beard, but you don't moisturize the skin beneath the beard, your skin's gonna kind of struggle to kind of find its balance there, especially because the skin underneath your beard is different than the skin on the rest of your body and the rest of your face. I have found that continued use of this product does help with the beard hair that comes in after. The beard growth does feel softer, as well as just kind of overall softening it, because I do use this every day. So let's talk ingredients really quick. I'm just gonna highlight 3 ingredients. The first one listed is Dimethicone, which is a type of silicone. It's commonly found in skincare, hair care, as well as makeup products. When used in a serum, or in this case, in oil, it's going to help leave your beard feel softer, as well as kind of works as an emulsifier. Since it is an oil and oils tend to separate from other ingredients, it kind of helps keep everything together. It can also act as a barrier over your skin, since again, beard oil is not specifically for your beard, but the skin underneath. There hasn't been too much research on it, but a lot of people do argue that this ingredient clogs pores. However, I take it with a grain of salt. I have really sensitive skin, and I have never had a problem with this product in particular, and other products I've used on my face that have dimethicone in it that I haven't really found have clogged my pores. Another ingredient is olive fruit oil. This ingredient has a mixture of fatty acids in it. Its main purpose is to help condition the beard, condition the skin, and it also has some cleansing agent properties to it. The next ingredient I want to talk about is the grapefruit peel oil, which is the oil that comes from the rind of a grapefruit. It's mainly used for its fragrance rather than anything else, and it can also be a skin sensitizer. I do just want to say that this ingredient is mildly phototoxic. I know it's a scary word, but essentially that just means that grapefruits are highly acidic, and it has this compound that is seemingly unpronounceable, and when used quite often over time directly on the skin, this product can cause skin irritation, specifically when exposed to the sunlight. However, my skin under my beard is rarely, if ever, exposed to too much sunlight. And again, I don't think the fragrance in this is strong. This is pretty low on the ingredients list. And if you're not familiar, the way that they list their ingredients, it's like the more highly concentrated ingredients are towards the top versus the ones at the bottom. So it's kind of just like the percentage of that ingredient is on the lower side. But you know, just like everything else, I encourage you to do your own research and do some investigating yourself if your skin is sensitive. Because again, I am not a dermatologist, I'm not a professional, just giving my review. I know that that's a seemingly scary ingredient to leave off on, but overall, I think it's a great product. I use it every day after I wash my face. Like I showed you before, I just run my comb through it. It definitely helps throughout the day. Makes it feel soft, makes it smell nice, not too overpowering, and I would suggest it to anybody, at least to try if you have any facial hair. Well, maybe not any facial hair. Don't give this to your mom. If this is a product you're interested in trying, I will leave a link below in the video description. Comment below, have you used this product? Have you used any of the other scented beard oil products? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Let me know. If you found this video at all helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more reviews of self-care products. This is Razorantum, I am Jonathan, and I will see you next time.